So here in Africa, in some areas, we are still preserving the peasants. A peasant produces another peasant. The grandfather is a peasant, the father is a peasant, the grandson is a peasant. This one here we reject. And we say the society here must metamorphose just like the others did. So that's why our principle number 3 becomes social economic transformation. We must have a new society. And how do we get a new society? They should all join the money economy. But now also the issue of raw materials, adding value to these products. We still have a gap there. We have added value to some of the products, but not all. If, for instance, you take coffee, when you export unprocessed coffee, you get $2.50. But if the coffee is processed outside, for what you got $2.50, somebody will get $40. So you can see where the crisis in Africa is. Loss of money and loss of jobs. So that raw materials export is a big disaster. So we are struggling with that, adding value.